Video marketing is so hot right now, and you have to get into it whether you're confident or not. And hi, my name is Rose, and today I want to show you a tool that you can use to turn your blog posts into a video that you can share on YouTube or on Instagram or wherever you want. The thing is, when you're starting with the video, it's you're not confident. When I started, I was doing the screen capture, and I was not confident at all. And in fact, it's the TikTok that has helped me gain some confidence. Now, this tool I'm going to show you today, there's a free version and there is also a paid version. If you use the free version, you're going to have a watermark on your videos. So I just wanted to mention that so you know in advance. Now, I am going to mention another tool that you can use to make YouTube videos without showing your face. And that one, you can utilize the free images you find on sites like, let's say, Unsplash or Pixels. And then you can also use the free videos that you find there as well, and then compile them together and then create a video. And also you can use the free music from the YouTube library. All right, so I'm not going to waste any more of your time because this video is gonna be a bit on the long side. But I promise you, I'm not going to waste your time for nothing. I am going to show you something that can help you start creating videos even as you work on your confidence. All right, let's get to the computer and then we start with this thing. Okay, so we are here in my computer now, and we are going to start our project. And the first thing we are going to say is we are going to say text to video. Okay. And then once that opens, we are going to choose our template, and we have different dimensions here. We have the wide, and we also have the square, and I actually want to use the square. And then we can choose one of these templates here, but also you can decide to use the blank canvas where you just start from scratch and create your own designs. But I want to use this template here, and then I'm going to say use this template, and then we are going to put our headline here, how to on TikTok. That's the blog post I'm going to use today for this demonstration. And before we continue, the tool we are using is called InVideo. You just go to Google and type invideo.io. I'm also going to leave a link below so you can access it easily. Now, I'm going to paste the text here that I'm going to use, and I have found the easiest way to use the text is actually to choose the text from your blog post and then go to maybe Google Docs or go to Word and then format the text so you can cut it into short sentences, because the scenes are going to prompt you to reduce the text because they are going to say the text is too long. So this is what I have done, and then I'll show you the next thing we are going to do. Okay, now you can opt to use their suggestions when it comes to videos and images, and also you can choose to unclick that one so you can make your own you can choose your own images and your own videos. So let's just try that and see what happens, and then we are going to wait for that one to open up. And just in case you're wondering who I am, my name is Rose, and I'm trying to show you how to make videos without showing your face. as you work on building your confidence. All right, so once that one opens up, so we have our text here and we have our headline, and now let's choose an image for our first scene. Okay, and I'm just going to search for money because our blog post is about making money on TikTok. And by the way, if you haven't joined TikTok, I highly suggest you join TikTok so you can build your confidence, because there you just create short videos, so you are able to slowly build your confidence. Okay, let's use that one. Why not? So we are going to drag it there, and then it's going to appear on our screen. And then we are now going to start creating our scenes. So that's our headline right there. And another thing that you might like to do is, if you highlight that and right click, you can choose highlight, so it changes the color of the text, which I think it's really nice when it's like that. So we are going to do that for all our scenes. But before we do that, we need to put images and videos on all our scenes, as you can see. So our next scene, we are going to find a video, and so let's say money again. See if we can find a video. So one thing you're going to notice here is that there are some videos that have this, you see this crown thing, that means those are premium videos. So if you're using the free version, you're not going to be able to use these videos here. So so let's see what our next scene is talking about. TikTok is a video sharing platform. Actually, since the next scene is saying TikTok is a video sharing platform, we might actually just want to say video, just to match the, you know, to match our text. So yeah, let's use that one. Oops, we can't use that one. That's a premium one. So if you're on the free version, you cannot use that one. So let's use that one. All right. And then we are going to drag it there. And here is where you can edit the video. If you don't want to use the whole video, you can trim it from either this side or both sides. Whichever side you want to trim the video, you can trim it to what you want it, the length you want it to be. So let's say done. Let's assume we are happy with that. And let's highlight our text again. And then we are just going to continue this process until we have the final product. So in fact, let's just try and find one that can say TikTok, if it's possible to find one. All right. So you just play around and find videos and images that match what your blog post is about, and then you just keep adding the scenes as you go. The scenes will depend on how much text you have, how long your text is. See, as you can see, that's how long my text is, so I have to create all these scenes. I actually don't have to. I can make it shorter if I want to, but I just want you to get a feel of just what it takes to make the video. All right, so sharing. I find that interesting. So how many more do we have? So I'm just, because I don't want to waste too much of your time, I'm just gonna just roughly put different images on each scene, because time is money, so I don't want to waste too much of your time. So I'm just gonna randomly place video images there, because I want you to see the final product. So I want you to see the final product, so I just want to put images and highlight the text. Then we can play it back and see what we have created. So it actually depends on your niche. So if you're talking about, if your blog post talks about cats or dogs or cooking or dating or whatever it is that your blog post is about, then you'll obviously find the images and videos that match your blog post. All right, so here we are, and highlight that. So we got our product there now, and I want to show you just how you can edit different things. If you click edit right there, it will open a different screen, and then you can either edit image, you can also resize, you can also edit the text block, you can choose the different styles and different fonts there, and also you can obviously you can move this text block anywhere you want. This is where you come, and then once you are happy with what you have done, you just say save. Okay, now this is just like Canva but for videos. So the more time you spend on this tool, the more you'll get familiar with everything, and then you can create different projects for your social media, for your YouTube. You can just create anything you like. So let's preview what we have made and see if we are happy with it. All right, now you can also add music. They have their own music there from their free music library, and you can also change that. You can also upload your own music like from YouTube library, and then you can just add whatever you like. So as you can see, That's our final product. I think it looks really good. Yeah, so we have our YouTube video. And of course, you need to make it long for YouTube, because YouTube videos need to be obviously longer than this we have here is, I think, what does it say, 48 seconds. It needs to be longer, so from 3 minutes, 5 minutes, depends on how much time you have and how creative you can get. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you have found it helpful. And I also want to mention that there is another tool that you can use, because this one, if you use the free version, is going to leave a watermark on your videos. It's not an ugly watermark. You know, there are some tools that leave a big watermark across your screen, but this one will leave a small watermark on your video. If you don't mind that, that's okay, then you can just use it. But if you don't like that, then there is another tool called InShot video editor. That one you don't have to worry about watermark, but that one you have to put in a lot of work, because you need to first go to these websites like Pixels and Unsplash and download the videos and images, and then you need to again upload them into the InShot for you to be able to create the videos. So that takes more work, I think, but the final product will be obviously more professional looking, because it won't have the watermark. All right, so it's up to you really what you want to use. If you want to use InVideo, you can of course go premium, and you're going to pay $10 per month in order for you to use the premium version, where you have more tools available for you, and of course you have no watermark on your videos. All right, so guys, I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please give this video a big thumbs up. I also suggest you visit my blog, letsworkinpages.com, because that's where you will find a lot of helpful information for you to utilize when it comes to creating a blog, or even creating a YouTube video, or even TikTok. I talk about all these things, so please visit my blog. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on my next one. This is Rose. Bye bye for now, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.